Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Update Viber and make sure you're logged in because hidden chats require the app's current UI. Once done, confirm you remember the hidden chat's PIN or have biometric unlock enabled. This is the key to access. Now open Viber and tap More 3 lines or More tab. Make sure you allow any permission prompts because Viber needs access to storage to search message content. Don't waste time. Enter the More menu and look for hidden chats immediately. Once inside More, tap Hidden Chats and unlock with your PIN or fingerprint. This step reveals the concealed conversations. After unlocking, use the global search bar at the top to type names, keywords, or phrases. Viber searches messages and media in those unlocked chats. If the global search doesn't find what you need, open the specific hidden conversation, tap the menu, and use the in-chat search to scan that chat's history precisely. Make sure to try different keywords and spellings if results look incomplete. To finish, if you want easier access later, unhide a chat by long pressing it or using chat settings to remove it from hidden chats. This keeps searches simpler. Once unhidden, use Viber's main search normally. If something goes wrong, check your backup and restore options. A forgotten PIN typically forces a restore or app reinstall to reset hidden chats. If you cannot recover the PIN and you lack a backup, those hidden messages are likely unrecoverable, so export important content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.